Hello friends, welcome to my channel. On this video I will share how to change folder icon and set up your photo on folder icon. To change this folder icon, select a folder, then click on the mouse right button and go to the properties. Click on the customize sense icon. Now you select a dynamic icon, then press on the apply and OK. To restart this folder icon, select your folder, click on the mouse right button and go to the properties. Click on the customize change icon, then restart default icon, apply and OK. Now I will show how to set up your own photo on folder icon. Now I select my image, click on the mouse right button and go to the edit. Resize this photo. You can resize it 14 to 15 pixel. I resize it 14 pixel. To save this image, go to the file and save as BMP format. To save this image, you mustly select 24 BMP format and make an image name .ico, means image name .ico, and save this image. I copy this image and paste this image on my selected folder. Now select this folder, click on the mouse right button, go to the properties. Click on the customize change icon, browse your image. Select this image and press on the apply and OK. When you delete this icon image anytime, then your folder icon will be automatically deleted. Thank you for watching this video. If this video will be help you, please subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon to get more update video.